Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel Artistic Dia. In today's tutorial, I will tell you that how you can place your text accordingly. So, open your image and go to text tool and write your text. Then press Command and go to text. Then press Command C and hide this layer. You can press Command D for deselection of this text. Now go to Filter, Vanishing Point. After creating a new layer, you can go to Vanishing Point, and what you have to do is to draw lines just like this. You can drag this point with the help of Command. You can press delete button if you don't want any point. After that, press Command V and place your text on it. Again, press Command T for the transformation of this text and place it accordingly. That's it. This is as simple as it is. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You can double click on the text and go to bevel and change the settings of this. Perfect. Press OK. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Kindly like my video. Thank you.